We are still in Finland, where we found not only the black chanterelle or black trumpet, but also the golden chanterelle, but also a third species of chanterelle, the yellowfoot or winter mushroom, also called the funnel chanterelle. That is a little bit smaller than the golden chanterelle, and you can see in a minute that the stems look a little bit like they are being squeezed. Now, the whole fruit body is hollow. It's also a distinguished mark of the species. And Marcus, how is this mushroom called in Finland?
Suppilovahvero.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's an excellent food mushroom, and it can grow in very large groups. It can be eaten with meat in soups, pasta, etc. It makes ectomycorrhizal relationships with certain trees like the hemlock or the Douglas fir. This species, Cantharellus tubaeformis, is holarctic, so you can find them in Europe, in Northern Asia, and in North America. So the few that I found, I took them home to Germany, and just with some pepper and salt, I baked them shortly, and with some feta white, it was really a very special taste. Crunchy and a surprising taste. Überraschend, wow. And then here at the end, we found them as well on the market in Helsinki, the Suppilovahvero. The market can pronounce it better for just €6 a liter. That's no money at all. So I hope you can find them on the market or in the woods. And I would say see you in the next Zoo Wild YouTube. Till then.